Assalamualaikum and very good day everyone. My name is Yang Umar bin Aziman. I'm a master trainer for Global Online Workforce by MDEC. Today I'm going to be your instructor for Digital Workforce subject. So for today's lesson, I'm going to share with you about client management. How can you maintain a good relationship with your client or your future client? There is a 3 learning objective for client management. First, you will be able to practice and manage potential and existing client. Second, we are going to identify the potential scam job. And third, apply a proper negotiation technique with your client. There's a 5 main topics that I'm going to cover in client management. First is negotiation skill with your client, or in acronym JPP. Second, getting to know your client. Third, work smart with the milestone. Fourth, client with no response. And lastly, sample type of scam job. So for the first main topic in client management is negotiate with your client. Always ask for JPP. What is JPP? JPP is the acronym for job size, period, and price. So for the first acronym, which is job size is the volume. Okay, before you close deal with a client, make sure that you are aware about the job size. The tips and tricks for you to handle the job size is to make sure that your coordination of tasks with your teammates is distributed equally. Make sure you are clearly state about the size of the job given. For example, how many pages, how many data, how many logo need to be designed. The second acronym is P, stand for period. So make sure your client clearly state the deadline about the respective job. Never assume your client will inform you. You must ask for it for the first place. Normally, the client will expect that you will deliver the task as soon as possible. The third acronym is P, stand for price. Know your price, either hourly or fixed price. Is it worth it for your time that you are spent to finish the job? Always negotiate with your client about the project price. Second main topic in client management is getting to know your client. So always check your client background. In freelancer.com, you can search this information in about the employer. The most crucial information that you must check is payment verification. If the payment verification icon is green, meaning that the client already deposit the project budget into the account, it is safe for you to bid or to accept the job if you have been awarded. If the payment verification icon is gray, meaning that the client have not deposited the project budget into the account, so it's not safe for you to bid and accept the job if you have been awarded. The other information that you can check about your employer is review, verification button, and the country flag. Third main topic in client management is work smart with milestone. Before you submit your job bidding, there is one section that you must fill, which is the milestone. What is milestone? Milestone is the features or payment conditions that your client must follow and accept before closing the deal with you. Based on the trainer and senior freelancer normal practice, we are usually divided the milestone into 3 payments. For the first milestone is 50% from the project budget for first draft. And second milestone, 30% from the project budget for the first, second, and third amendment. And the final milestone, which is the 20% from the project budget, is for the final submission. To set up a milestone is just an optional, but you are advised to create one if your project budget is larger than $100. For the fourth main topic in client management is client with no response, or MIA, missing in action. What you need to do if your client is MIA? First, you need to give your client time to respond. Second, please proceed with another job and bidding on other job. Third, report to platform support. They will handle the cases and contact the client. For the last main topic in client management is sample type of scam job. So in this topic, we are going to see a few sample type of scam job on crowdsourcing platform. So for the first sample type of scam job is suspicious third-party website. If the client send you the suspicious link, for example, is third-party website, make sure that you check the website content. What is the website is all about? If you found that the website has fraudulent content, report the suspicious activity to platform support immediately. So the platform support will take down the job post. Some of the clients require freelancer to purchase a workstation before you work with them. This is one of scam activity. Let me share with you one principle that all new freelancers must follow. Client must pay first. That is your client responsibility to provide you a working platform for you to deliver all the client needs. Third sample type of scam job is buy software. Same modus operandi with purchase workstation. If the client want to work with you, they need to provide all the system, all the software that's going to be used for the particular project. That is not your responsibility to provide all the item. Next is free sample, free job. For this type of scam activity, the modus operandi is different. The scammer will targeting the freelancer who have skill in language and writing. They will asking you to provide a sample of work based on the document given to check whether you're qualified for this project or not. So basically, they need to check your quality of work. And after you send the sample of work for review, they will not revert back to you. So always be careful with this type of scam activity.